You press the power button on your Hisense TV, and instead of turning on, you just see a flashing red light. No picture, no sound, just that blinking light staring back at you. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Hisense TV red light flashing problem step by step, so you can get your TV working again without wasting time or money. Step 1. Power Reset Fix. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall, then press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 30 to 60 seconds. After that, wait around 10 minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on. This removes leftover electrical charge and resets the internal system, which often fixes the red light flashing issue caused by minor glitches. Step 2. Check power source. Plug your TV directly into a different wall outlet and avoid using extension cords or power strips for now. Also, check the power cable for any damage or loose connection. A weak or unstable power supply can cause the red light to blink and prevent the TV from turning on properly. Step 3. Disconnect external devices. Unplug all HDMI cables and external devices like gaming consoles, streaming sticks, or sound systems. Then try turning the TV on with nothing connected. If it works, one of your devices or cables is causing the problem, and you can reconnect them one by one to find the faulty one. Step 4. Test backlight issue. Turn on the TV and shine a flashlight closely at the screen. If you see a very faint image, it means the backlight is not working. In this case, the TV is actually on, but the display is not lighting up, which usually requires hardware repair. Step 5. Identify blink pattern. Pay attention to how many times the red light blinks in a sequence. Hisense TVs often use blink codes to signal specific problems, like backlight failure, motherboard issues, or power board faults. Noticing this pattern can help you understand what exactly is wrong with your TV. Step 6. Check internal hardware. If none of the fixes work, the issue is likely inside the TV. Common faulty parts include the power board, mainboard, or LED backlight. At this stage, you'll need professional repair or replacement of the damaged component.